Let's talk about the way that you use the privacy guide inside of Google Chrome to secure your account. Now, what this basically does is gives you a walkthrough or a guide or the things that you can enable or disable in order to protect your account inside of Google Chrome. So in order to get this guide, you can click on the three dotted line on the top right, head over to settings. Once you're inside of settings, make sure you head over to privacy and security. And right here, you'll see the option which says privacy guide. Now, as soon as you click on it, you'll get a guide, the step-by-step guide on what you can or cannot enable. You can just click on next. And as you can see, the first option is make searches and browsing better. So by default, this will be disabled. And you can see the benefits of what happens when you turn on this option and the few things that you need to consider. So you can turn on or turn off this option once you read these instructions and what you like based on what you see. So you can just click on the next option. And also in the next section, you're going to get the enhanced or the standard protection. So depending upon, again, what you like, you can take a look at the instructions or the details of this particular option. And you can then click on next. And this is going to be the last option, which is the third-party cookies. So you can either enable or disable these cookies. They have their own merits and demerits. You can take a look at them and then click on next. And there you go. Your privacy guide inside of Google Chrome is now complete. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.